Hi everyone, thanks for watching. So let's get into it. The winter break is a perfect time to tidy the car up. First project for this winter is to tidy up the sills, having got some damage on the driver's side at our last event. Before we get started, give us a like, hit the bell and press subscribe. That's what helps us keep going, making new videos for you. The first part of the job involved me laying on the garage floor underneath the car, removing the vinyl wrap that was on the sills. It's January, so it's freezing cold outside, which meant we needed the hairdryer to warm the vinyl. When it's cold, every time you grab a piece, it just splits off, but once you warm it up with the hairdryer, it comes off quite nicely. The worst parts were the edges that were wrapped underneath the sills, as they'd had a pretty hard time in the last couple of rallies we've done, so the vinyl was really pebble dashed under there. It just was pretty reluctant to come off in big pieces. We managed to get there in the end, and as you can see, the damage on the sill had already been repaired, so we were ready to go and get it re-wrapped again. We had a quick drive through Lincoln, much to the amusement of some of the drivers on the ring road, and we headed to our friends at Signs Express, who had the heater on in their workshop, and they were all ready to go. First side's done, on to the second one. Once the sponsors' logos were fitted, we were looking like brand new, well 1988, and ready to head home. Thanks again to the team at Signs Express for getting us back on track. Make sure you give us a like, hit the bell and press subscribe, and then you'll see all the other videos we've got on the channel, and there is plenty more to come. If you've got a question about the car, if there's anything you want to know, just put them in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you on the next one.